Starting the layers. Okay, so today we will learn the new topic, that is the multi-threading. What is meant by multi-threading? First we will see what is meant by multitasking, and it is easy only. There are two ways, I mean, how to create a thread, how to execute a thread. We will see all these things. Okay, so we will start with the multitasking. Anyone knows what is meant by multitasking? In day-to-day life, everyone is doing the multitasking, right? So anyone knows what is meant by multitasking? Anyone knows what is meant by multitasking? Yes, yes. Multiple tasks at the same time, right? That is called as the multitasking. Suppose here my screen is visible now. Hello, the screen is visible. Yes, yes, okay, okay. Simultaneously doing multiple operation. Yes, that is only meaning of the multitasking. See, suppose I am opening this task, that is the Chrome. I am using the this one, that is the Prism Live Studio. After that, Eclipse, then PowerPoint and Paint also. I am executing this all the task at the same time. That is only known as the multitasking. Executing multiple tasks at the same time. That is only called as the multitasking. See, if I show you the diagram also. So suppose this is the diagram. Okay, oh, sorry, this one. Okay, so this is the diagram. Inside that, when multiple tasks perform at the same time, that is only called as the multitasking. Suppose if we open VLC, then we have opened the Word also, and we have opened the browser also. Okay, and we are executing this all the tasks at the same time. That is only known as the multitasking. Okay, that is only known as the multitasking. And what is the advantage of the multitasking? It will increase the performance of the CPU. Okay, it will increase the performance of the CPU, means by the and remember this thing, one time CPU can execute the one task. So how it will be executing this all the tasks? There will be context switching concept is there. Okay, so one concept is there, that is the context switching. So what it means by context switching is, first it will be increase, it will be execute for some time, then it will be execute for some time, then it will be execute for the some time. Means for nanosecond it will be switch for each process, like it will be switch, it will be execute, then it will be executed, it will be execute, then again it will be execute, then second process, third process, like that it will be execute. That is only known as the context switching. That is the another part. Okay, so what is the main purpose of the multitasking? To increase the performance of the CPU. Okay, to increase the performance of the CPU, we are using the multitasking. And while switching this one, it will be switched in the very nanosecond. So if we will be paid like that, both these all the tasks will be performing at the same time only. Okay, all the tasks will be performing at the same time. We are feeling like that, but all are not executing at the same time. First it will be execute, then it will be execute, then it will be execute, but only for the nanosecond there will be gap. Okay, only nanomillisecond there will be gap. So we are feel like all the tasks will be executing at the same time. That is only known as the context switching. Okay, that is the another part. After that, multitasking have the two types. First one is the process-based multitasking, and another one is the thread-based multitasking. Process-based multitasking, we can also say that is the multi-processing, and thread-based multitasking, we can also say that is the multitasking, multi-threading. Okay, there are two types of multitasking. Process-based multitasking, we can also say that is the multi-processing, and thread-based multitasking, we can say that is called as the multi-threading. Okay, now what is meant by multi-processing? Okay, when we add multiple processor to the single system, that is called as the multi-processing. When we add multiple processor to the single system, that is called as the multi-processing, and it is the best suitable at the system level. That's why we are not learning this concept into the Java. Okay, it is best suitable at system level or the operating system level. That's why we are not learning this multiprocessing in this. It is the one of the type of the multitasking. Okay, and multiprocessing means when we connect multiple CPU to the single system, that is only called as the multiprocessing to complete single task. Okay, to order to complete the task, that is only known as the multiprocessing. Okay, after that, the multithreading. What is meant by the multithreading? If you take the example, so first of all, means if you want to learn the multithreading, so first you have to know that means what is meant by thread. Okay, simply if we take the example, if you come into the paint. This is the paint. Suppose everyone knows the VLC player, right? Everyone knows the VLC player. Suppose this is my VLC player. Inside that VLC player, many things are there. Okay, it will be audio will be player there, video will be play there, right? Then volume button, progressing bar will be there. Suppose this is the progressing bar from here to here. This is the progressing bar. This is the progressing bar. Suppose there will be audio, right? Then after that there will be video also. Okay, sorry, I will, okay, audio will be there, audio, then video will be there, or processing progress bar is also there. After that timestamp is also there, right? Many things are there inside the VLC player, right? Did you saw any time like first video audio will be play, then video will be play, then timestamp will be play? No, right? All the things will be play at the same time. Okay, all the things will be played at the same time. So which is the thread here? So audio is a thread, video is a thread, timestamp is a thread, this progress bar in the state is a thread. Suppose if we have here the volume up and down button, up and down process, that is also called as the thread only. Means simply if I say that like this VLC means the big process, and this audio video timestamp, this all are the small process. Okay, this all the VLC player means the big process, and inside this big process small process there, like audio is another process, video is another process, timestamp, this progress bar, this all are the small process which are present inside the big process, that only known as the thread. Okay, so which is the thread here? This audio is a single thread, this video is a another thread, right? This video is a another thread, this timestamp is there also, right? This timestamp also another thread, this progress bar is a another thread, and this all the threads are executing at the same time, right? This all the threads are execute at the same time, that is only called as the multi-threading. Okay, that is only known as the multi-threading. See, this is the audio is a thread, video is a thread, timestamp is a thread. So what is meant by thread? If anybody will ask you what is the definition of the thread, the thread is a sub part of the process. Okay, thread is a sub part of the process. If we consider the VLC as a big process, okay, if we consider this VLC as a process, so where thread is present? Thread is present inside the process, because thread is a small process and VLC is a big process. We can say that, we can take the example of the VLC. So VLC is a big process, and this audio video timestamp, these all are the small process. And what is the definition of the process? The definition of the thread is a sub part of the process. Okay, thread is a sub part of the process. Okay, and all the thread will be executed at the same time, that is only known as the multi-threading. Okay, when all the thread, this audio video timestamp will be executed at the same time, that is only known as the multi-threading. Okay, if you are watching the movies like 3 hours movie you have, so what it will do? This audio will be play 3 hours, then video will be play 3 hours, then timestamp, it will be happen like that? No, right? All the things, audio, then video, timestamps, all the things will be executed at the same time, because these all are the small thread. Audio is a one thread, video is a one thread, timestamp is a one thread, right? All these are threads are executed at the same time, that is only known as the multi-threading. Okay, that is then only known as the multi-threading. If you see this diagram also, see here, this is the VLC media player, and inside the VLC we have a video one thread, music is one thread, progress bar is one thread, and timing is also one thread. Okay, this all the threads will be executed at the same time, that is only known as the multi-threading. Okay, VLC is a big process, and this video music progress bar timing all are the small process. And what is the definition of the thread is? Thread is a sub part of the process. See here, by the diagram also we can say that thread is a sub part of the process. This is the process, this all the green color line is a process where it is present the small thread inside the process. So we can say that thread is a sub part of process. Okay, and where it will be used? It is used in software, games, in animations, all in this the multi-threading is used. Okay, multi-threading is used in software, games, or in the animation, and multi-threading is best suitable at the programming level. That's why we are learning multi-threading inside the Java. Okay, that's why we are learning the multi-threading inside the Java. Okay, now we are till now we have learned all the OOPS concept, right? That is the abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and all the things we have learned till now. So with the help of that concept, we can try to create one VLC player. Okay, we can try to create one VLC player. We are not creating any threads and all. Just simply we will try to create a VLC media player with the help of OOPS concept. So for that, what we will do is simply I will come here. Simply we will come here and we will try to create a one class here inside the here I will create one example like VLC player. We will try to create, simply I will create a class here with the name VLC. Okay, I am creating a class with the name of VLC, and inside the VLC what we will do, simply we will create a different class and we will try to execute that. Okay, same like a same on the OOPS concept. So simply first we will create a class for the this. See, first we will create a class for the video, then music, then progress bar, and then timing. Same like that we will try to create. So here first class is for the video. Okay, and after that public void, and simply we will create a method here. Play video. Simply I am creating a method here. Only simply I have created the class, and inside the class I am created the method. And inside that we are printing simply that is the playing video. Okay, simply we'll print here playing video. Same like that we will create another class like class audio. Okay, class audio will print, and here what we will do, play public void, and simply we will create a method for the audio also, playing audio. These are simple method only, and inside that I am simply printing same like that one, that is the play audio. Okay, playing audio I am printing, and after that simply I am creating another class for the what we have here, that is the progress bar or the timing we can say. So we can create with the progress bar. Okay, and after that simply for that one also we will create a method public void p play pb. Okay, simply I am writing like that, and system.out. Here also I am writing, and instead that I am writing progress bar. Okay, simply I am writing like that. Okay, so these three classes I have created. First is the video, then audio, and then progress bar. And inside that we have created a single method. There's the playing video, playing audio, and then playing progress bar. Now what we will do is, if you want to call this method, if I want to call this method like playing video, then playing audio, and the playing progress bar, how to call that one? How to call this method from this class? If I want to call this method, how we will call that? How we will call the method? Using object, right? Simply we will create a main method here first, right? If I want to call this playing video method, so how we will call, which class object I have to create? Please guide me. Video. Okay, video. So simply I will create an object of the video. New, then video. Sorry, video. Okay, and then control one and assign into variable. Video object will be created. After that, simple video, with the help of video we can call the method video dot, what is the name of our method? That is the playing video. Simply we call this one here playing video. After that, simply another class we have, that is the audio. So simply we will create a class, another object for the another class audio, and we will create an object for the audio also here, audio dot play audio, right? Another class object also I have created. After that, new we will create new, and then progress bar. For the progress bar also we have to create an object, control one, assign into the variable, then ab dot playing progress bar. These are all the methods we have got, right? Now if I run this one, so what will be the output we will get? What will be the output we will get? Now if I run this one, so what will be the output we will get? Yes, playing video, then playing audio, and then playing progress bar, right? These all the things you will get: playing video, then playing audio, and then progress bar. So how to call this one? How it will be called? So simply when we will execute this one, playing video, playing audio, progress bar. Yes, that is the only thing. Okay, when JVM will come to the main method. Okay, after that video object we have created, so it will be created, we have created the object, it will be see. After that video dot playing video, so it will be come to the video class and it will see the method with the name playing video. So it will become here and it will be print playing video. After that it will become here again, and after that audio object we have created, audio dot play audio, it will be print, right? It will print audio dot playing audio, it will print on the console. It will become here inside the method, sorry, it will become into the playing audio method, it will print playing audio on the console. After that again it will become here, we have created the progress bar object. With the help of progress bar object we are calling playing pb, so it will become here inside the pb class and it will see where is the playing progress bar method. So here is the playing progress bar method, and what we are doing there, simply we are printing the progress bar. So it will print progress bar on the console. If I run this one, simply we will get that three answers: playing video, playing audio, playing bar. But which problem we are facing here? When playing audio will be over, okay, when playing audio will be over, then playing audio will be start. When playing audio will be over, then progress bar will be start. Okay, suppose we have a movie of the 3 hour, so what it will do, 3 hour movie will be start, 3 hour, here I am writing, okay, 3 hour, same thing I am writing here also, okay, and here also I am writing the same thing. Okay, so what it will be do, simply if I run this one, so playing video for 3 hour, then after 3 hour playing audio for 3 hour, then after 3 hour progress bar for 3 hour, right? Means first video will be play 3 hour, then audio will be play 3 hour, and then progress bar will be play 3 hours. So that we don't want, right? These things we don't want. So what we want to execute this all things at the same times, right? If we watch like that, so our 3 hour movie will be 3 hour movie will be take the 9 hour, right? So okay, first we will see only video, then we will see only the audio, and then we will see only the progress bar, right? We don't want like that. We want to execute this all the things at this same time, right? And we want to watch 3 hours movie in the 3 hour, right? So for that what we will do, we will make this video as a thread, this audio as a thread, and this progress bar as a thread, and all the threads we will execute at the same time. So that is the use of our multi-threading, and this problem we can resolve with the help of threads. Okay, now it is executing by the another object, but we can execute this, all the threads will be at the same time, because thread is a small process, we can say that, right? Thread is a small process and we can execute all the threads will be at the same time. So that's why we are using the concept that is the multi-threading. Okay, for that we are using the concept of the multi-threading. Okay, so there are two ways to create a thread. We have to know that, right? How to create a thread. So there are two ways to create a thread. First is the thread class. It is a predefined class which is already created by the Java people, just we need to use this class. Okay, and another one is the runnable class. Okay, sorry, runnable interface. First one is the thread class and another one is the runnable interface. Inside the thread class there are many constructors are present, we will see one by one after that. Okay, inside the thread class there are many methods also present, like these methods. The first method are the basic method, then naming methods, then daemon thread methods, and then priority methods. Okay, after that inside the thread class another methods also present, like these things, these methods, thread prevent thread execution method and the interrupting a thread methods. We will learn that all the things one by one, but now we will see only how to create a thread with the help of thread class. If you want to create a thread with the help of thread class, how to create that we will see today. Okay, so first there are, we have to follow the some step. If you want to create a thread, so we have to follow some steps. So first step is that we have to extend the thread class. Suppose we simply, I will come here into the Eclipse. Okay, into the test class, I will remove this all the things from here to here. Okay, and simply I will create one class here, public class and what is the name of our class? Text. Okay, now I want to convert this class into the thread. So how to convert with the help of thread class? So simply first step we have to follow first step we have to follow is the extends the thread class. And thread is a predefined class which is already created by the Java people, and there are many methods are present, many constructors are also there. If you want to use that constructor or method, simply what we need to do, simply we have to extend this class. So how to extend? Simply we'll come here and here we will write extend thread. Okay, simply we have to write here extends thread, right? After that what we will do, we have to follow the second step. So we will see what is the which is the second step here. Simply override the run method. Okay, override the run method. So where is the run method will be present? So simply we will come here into the Eclipse and we will try to open this declaration. Okay, I'm opening this one. This is a declaration I open. Inside that many things are present, like a register, many methods like this one, methods and variables and all things which are present inside the thread class. Now if I want to find this one, that is the run method, simply we will write here run. Okay, yes, this is the run method is present here. See, there is the run method is already present here, just we need to use that. And remember one thing, this run method is also overridden here. Why? Because thread class internally implement the runnable interface. See here, thread class is internally implements the runnable interface, and where run method is present, if I open this runnable also, see, open declaration, here the run method is present. And run method, which type of method is this? It is an abstract type. First runnable is implemented here inside the thread class, and after that is overridden here. All the implementation is here inside the thread class. Okay, now if we want to create a thread, simply we have to come here and we have to override the run method. So how to override the run method? Simply we have to give the same name, public void run, right? Simply we have to write like that. If you write like that, it can be, it will be override. Okay, this method is overridden here, and inside this method what we will write, simply inside the run method we will write the which task we want to perform with the help of thread. Okay, if we want to perform any thread with the help with the using of the thread, that we will write inside the run method. Okay, that task we will write inside the run method. What we will write inside the run method? That is the thread task. Thread task we will write inside the run method. Now the another step, which is the another step here, is the create an object of the class. So we know that how to create an object of the class. So for that simply we have to create an object first. So main I will create here main. Okay, main method. Inside that I will create an object text. Sorry, control 1 and assign to the variable. I have created the object of the variable. I have created the object, right? Simply here is the object I have created inside the main method. This all the things we know that. And after that another thing, that is the last step, is that there is the start the thread using the start method. Okay, start the thread using the start method. Simply we will come here and we will start the thread obj dot. If I run this one, okay, simply we will write here anything system dot out, and here I am writing first thread. Simply I am writing here first thread. If I run this one now, so what will be the output we will get? Anyone knows? If I run this one now, what will be the output we will get? See here, here is the run method and we are calling here the start method. So what will be the output we will get? Anyone knows? First thread. Okay, anyone have any another answer? First thread, everyone is saying first thread. Okay, so how it will be called? See, if I run this one, so first thread will be print on the console. That is okay. Oh, sorry, we are not calling this one, I think that's why. First thread is printing on the console, that is also okay. But from here if you notice that object dot start we are using here, right? Object dot start we are using here. So how it will be calling the first thread? So it will become here. Okay, and what we are doing, we are converting this class into the thread, that is the extends thread here, right? So if we use object dot start method, so internally it will call the start method which is present inside the thread class. it will be called the start method, which is present inside the thread class, and inside the start method it is indirectly calling this run method. Okay, from the start method it will indirectly call this run method. So what is the use of the start method? To start the thread. If you want to start the thread, with the help of start method we can start the thread. Okay, so what is the use of start method? We can start the thread. Suppose I am writing here the run. Now what will be the output we will get? Now what will be the output we will get here? Object. Yes, yes. Same. Nagaon is saying same. Okay. Anyone have any another answer? Like different one kind, different one, anything? Anyone have any another answer? See, if I run this one now also, so it will be give the same output, that is the first thread. Then what is the difference between the run method and what is the difference between the start method? So if you call this like object.run, okay, if you are declaring run method here, if you are extend the thread also, and if you are calling this run method with the help of object.run, so this class will be behave like a small normal class. Okay, this method is also behave like a normal method. Okay, and this will not consider as a thread. Okay, this will not consider as a thread. But if you are writing like that, that is the start. Here if you are calling that run method with the help of start, so it will be considered as a thread now. Okay, it will be considered as a thread now. But if you are calling with the help of run, so it will be considered as the normal method. Okay, this run method is considered as a normal method, and if you are calling with the help of start, so it will be considered as a thread. Okay, and this type we can create a thread. And where thread is created? Here our thread is created. Okay, here our thread is creating, and by default if you are not giving any name to the thread, so JVM will give a default name to the thread like thread 0, thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, like that. Suppose we have now one thread only, so this time this thread name is a thread 0. We can change the name also, we can set the name also, we can get the name also. That we will learn in the tomorrow session. Okay, so anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt till here? Is it same in case of multiple methods? Multiple methods means we will see that. I mean, what, how to can we create a multiple run methods? How can we create a multiple threads also? That we will learn in next chapter, next session. Because if I tell you now, so if you will be confused. Try from the basic only. Okay, try to create a threads and all. Then we will learn that also. Okay. Okay, so anyone have any doubt till here inside the threading concept? This is the easy only, we will learn in very easy way. Okay, so this is the thing for the today, and today's assignment is that you have to create a program on this one, that is the VLC. Here we have created with the help of oops concept, but now you have to create this all the things with the help of thread. We have to convert this all the things into the thread, and you have to execute this all the things, that is the video, audio and progress bar at the same time. Okay, you have to create a one thread for the video, one thread for the audio, and one thread for the progress bar, and you try to execute that. Okay, if you have any doubt and all, so you can ask me or you can ping on the group. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thank you for your time. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.